Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve digital sales funnel with ClickFunnels, complete guide step by step clearly. To improve your digital sales funnel using ClickFunnels, start by defining your target audience clearly. Understanding who your ideal customer is will allow you to tailor your funnel to meet their specific needs. Next, outline the customer journey from awareness to conversion. Identify the key touchpoints and interactions your audience will have with your funnel. Once the journey is defined, create an attractive landing page. Use ClickFunnels templates to design a page that captures attention and drives action. Ensure that your headline is compelling and clearly communicates the value proposition. Incorporate strong visuals and engaging content that resonate with your audience. Add a clear call to action that guides users on what to do next. Following this, set up your email automation sequence. Use ClickFunnels email integration to nurture leads and maintain communication. Segment your audience based on their engagement level for more personalized messaging. Next, create a high-converting sales page. Highlight benefits over features and use testimonials to build trust. Include a strong call to action that encourages immediate purchase. Now, design an upsell page to increase your average order value. Offer complementary products or services that enhance the initial purchase. Use scarcity tactics, such as limited time offers, to encourage quick decisions. Once your funnel is set up, conduct A/B testing on various elements. Change one variable at a time, like headlines or images, to assess impact. Analyze the results to identify which variations produce better conversion rates. After testing, integrate analytics to track user behavior within your funnel. Use ClickFunnels built-in analytics to monitor metrics like conversion rates and click-through rates. Make adjustments based on the data to continuously improve performance. Consider implementing a multi-step order form for higher perceived value. This approach can simplify the purchase process and reduce cart abandonment. Finally, continuously seek feedback from customers once they engage with your funnel. Use their insights to refine your strategies and offerings. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.